good, guys and girls? Harry from Visordown.com. Hope you're all doing well. This is just a quick one. We are replacing the discs on the Sv650. This is my daily bike, my daily commuter through London. The brakes are terrible. Everyone knows it. So we're going to upgrade them to some new Galfer discs. It's a very important part of putting on the new discs. Remember to Loctite these holes. Don't use red, use blue.
Oh, that was 65, that was 20.
So the spindle torque on an SV is 65 Newton meters, and a pinch bolt, don't forget that, after tightening the spindle is 25? 25, so make sure you do those. But this is a really important part. We are talking the disc bolts. What was it, 23 Newton meters? So you go around each one. And I suppose you could do a crisscross, but it's a flat surface and the disc is one piece, so it should all be good. So this is the disc all fitted. Just remember, you're gonna need to bed them in. We've got new pads in there, we've got Galfer pads in there, and new disc, smooth on smooth, not much braking power, so make sure you bed them in, go down a nice straight quiet road and just gently pull the lever and just let them all seat up nicely. So the new disc is now installed. It's a proper faff on an SV, but I think it looks worth it. And also, just at the front, before you go anywhere, press that loads and loads of times till the pistons get up to the brake pads, and then you're good to go.